Airports on fire, Russians in panic. Fear struck Putin's troops when Ukrainians attacked 4 military facilities in enemy territory last night. The targets were ammunition depots and fuel supplies hidden at the airports. Our drones did an excellent job, but unfortunately, we will not achieve everything this way. To continue the offensive in Russia, we need more weapons. The more we have of them, the less Putin will be able to do. This is the biggest action by Ukrainians since they crossed the Russian border. They launched drone strikes on 4 airfields in 3 regions: Kursk, Nizhny Novgorod, and Vorontsov regions, where they attacked for the first time. The targets were several hundred kilometers apart.
The first time that Russia has had foreign troops invading and holding territory since World War II. Here's what we know. On August 6th, Ukrainian forces, tanks and armored vehicles rolled across the border into the Kursk region in several different directions.
The attacks by the Ukrainians have caused panic among the Russians. They are pulling reinforcements by withdrawing their troops from the Donetsk and Luhansk regions and elsewhere in southern Ukraine. However, the Ukrainians are doing so well that they have even opened a military command in the Kursk region. We are continuing our operation in enemy territory. Just today, we moved forward by around 2 kilometers. We are eliminating the enemy on the territory of the city of Sudzha. And this is not the end of the good news. In the Kursk region, an entire company of Russians surrendered without a fight. More than 100 soldiers raised the white flag and surrendered to the Ukrainians.